Good morning, children. Myself, Swathi, English faculty from Talla Padmavathi International School. So, children, do you know what is this? Yeah, it's a bird, and it's a common bird we see daily near our houses. It's a sparrow. So, do you know where do the birds live? Yes, the birds live in the nest. As we live in our houses, birds live in the nest. So, nest is the home of birds. So, here there is another bird. Wow, it's a beautiful bird. What is this? It's a peacock. Yes, it is our national bird. Wow, parrot is in green color. So, today we are going to learn a poem, Once I Saw a Little Bird. So now we'll recite this poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, while you stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say how do you do. But he shook his little tail and away he flew. So, this is the poem Once I Saw a Little Bird. A boy is sharing his experience. So, one day he saw a little bird. And how did it come? It hopped. Okay? And this boy cried, "Oh, little bird, stop, stop, stop. Please don't go away. Please don't go away." He was crying. So, bird was going to the window. Yes, in our home, what do you observe? Most of the birds come through the windows, and while going also they go through the windows or doors. So here in this poem, the bird was going to the window, and the boy was saying, "Oh bird, how do you do?" Boy was asking, "How do you do?" But bird can't understand all these, no? So he shook his little tail and he flew away. So the bird flew away. Oh, now the boy was crying and he was a little bit unhappy. So he was very unhappy. Thank you, Swathi, English faculty, Talla Padmavathi International.